Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add overlays to your animation on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the animate button at the upper side of the screen and go and just select a picture from your gallery. New, tap to the overlay option next to the element button at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find different overlays, and just select one and you can set the string that just by the line on the scale and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.